Installing a heavy air conditioner requires precision, strength, and the right equipment. Meet the Sany crane, a reliable partner in construction and heavy lifting. The Sany crane is carefully positioned to ensure a safe and efficient lift. The operator conducts a thorough inspection to ensure everything is in working order. With its powerful hydraulics, the Sany crane lifts the air conditioner unit with ease. The operator's skilled hands guide the crane, ensuring a precise and safe lift. The air conditioner unit is carefully positioned and secured, ensuring a stable and efficient installation. The installation team works together to ensure a safe and successful installation. A final inspection ensures everything is in working order and meets safety standards. The air conditioner is tested to ensure it's functioning properly and efficiently. The Sany crane, a reliable partner in construction.